Dulcinea with her baby. The new baby at Dulcinea. I'm taking you on a tour. Kids, this is a tour of our facilities and our stables. Hola. Hola. This is the new baby. Is she pretty? Hola. That's her mom. This is a baby that's only about 2-3 weeks old. And she's beautiful. And she's a little mare out of Escabano. And that's Dulcinea, one of my horses I bought years ago. I'm really proud of. Dulcinea has a very good gait, very rich lineage, a black mother and a black father, and that baby's going to be black. Anyway, what a Merry Christmas, what a Happy New Year for me.